What? Have you been applying mascara wrong this whole time? Or maybe you don't even know how to do it? I'm gonna show you how to apply mascara the right way, and this is gonna change your life. You don't even have to be professional to do this. If you want to take this to the next level, just keep watching. Hi, it's your girl Peachy and welcome back to my channel Passion by Peachy. This channel is about beauty, how-to, lifestyle tips to help you and make your life so much easier. If you're new on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad to see you here. Just please make sure that you click subscribe and turn on the notification bell below so you don't miss any cool videos every week because I'm sure you're gonna love it. So ladies, do you have a problem trying to make your lashes look perfect every single time? Yes, I have that problem too. You know, applying mascara is not just open the tube, swipe it on, and move on with your life. Oh no, girl, it takes more than that. Applying mascara is an art, and in the past I make so many mistakes, and I'm sure that some of you still doing it too. So today, I'm gonna be helping you to apply mascara the right way, and I'm gonna give you 5 best real tips that no one tells you about. But first, you will need your favorite mascara. For me, I'm using this two. The first one is Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, and this one is Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof. These two work really well for me and it's quite cheap. This one, everywhere you can find this. This one, I got it from Sephora. Now, if you're ready to master this skill to the next level, let's get into it. Tip number 1. Do not pump the wand. This pushes air into the tube, which will make the mascara dry out faster. The right way to do it is gently twisting the wand back and forth or in circular motion. This twisting will allow the brushes to pick up mascara the perfect amount. Tip number 2. Powder your lashes. This is an easy tip to help volume your lashes looking thick and bigger. You can powder your lashes with any baby powder and then add a coat of mascara on your lashes to cover up the powder and create even thicker look. This powder gives the mascara more to cling to, which allows you to build even more volume. Tip number 3. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. A simple swipe is not enough. You should always move the mascara brush in a zigzag motion. This zigzag or a wiggle motion adds length and volume and reduce clumping. The wiggle will also help lift and curl your lashes. Please leave a comment below if you like this so far. Okay, tip number 4. Apply both sides of your lashes. If you always apply mascara in one direction, girl, you forgot to do half of your job. A hack for a super thick lashes is to apply both sides of your lashes by first looking down and apply the back of your lashes and then look up and sweep the brush upward from below. How do I look? Good? Okay, finally tip number 5. Use 2 different mascara. You know what they say, 2 is always better than 1, right? Each mascara has one main purpose, despite what advertising say. So, use 2 different mascara to give you length and volume, and this worked for me just fine. Try it, and you will see the difference between using 2 versus just 1 is staggering. That's my 5 useful tips how to apply mascara the right way. You know, honestly, I wish someone told me this before. Again, you don't even have to be professional to do this or to know this. Just make sure that you use some of my technique that I just give it to you and maybe try it and see how you like it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching today and for being so amazing. And I hope that this video is very useful for you. Just please make sure that you subscribe below so you don't miss out any cool tips like this one. Have you done it yet? Do it now. And also you can share this video to your friends or whoever, and you can follow me on Instagram at Passion by Peachy. Now, don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out. I will see you next week อย่าลืมกด subscribe นะคะขอบคุณมากค่ะวันนี้ที่มาดูวิดีโอนี้นะคะแล้วก็เดี๋ยวเราเจอกันอาทิตย์หน้านะคะ I love you to the moon and back จุ๊บๆขอบคุณค่ะ